Short video to talk to you about this Dyson DC59 Animal V6 vacuum cleaner, cordless vacuum cleaner. Comes in perfect working order. Comes with a brand new replacement crevice tool and combination tool, an original wall mount with no screws, and original genuine charger. The Bosch bar head, I've taken this apart and fully cleaned it. The wand does have some small scratches, some small dents, and then the main head unit. On this, I have, if I put it out, washed and cleaned the filter, cleaned the head, washed inside and out, cleaned the head and the bin. The bin does have marks from usage. This also has a brand new replacement 8000 mAh battery for this listing. Has two modes. First mode is economy mode. Press the button on the back, it will go blue. When it's blue, that's on boost mode, and it's more powerful, but the battery doesn't last as long. I'll just show it working quickly. I do have many other Dysons in stock and try to list new ones weekly. So it's perfect working order. So brand new battery. To empty the bin, hold this over a bin, bag, container, and pull down on this red there. The bottom will open, shake all the rubbish out. Any questions at all, please ask. Thanks for watching.